Do subscribe if you are new to this channel and click the bell icon to stay notified.
Hi there, you're watching Power Stroke. I'm in Tata NEXON. In this video, we're going to find out what will happen if push button is pushed while driving the car. Have you ever thought what will happen if start button is pushed while driving? Let's find out. Yesterday when I was driving, I got this in my mind that in case of conventional key, we have to turn the key mechanically to turn the engine off in an emergency situation. But how it's with start-stop button system? Well, in start-stop button system, if we push the button normally, nothing will happen and will not let the engine to shut off. If you really want to start the engine for some emergency reason, what you have to do is to simply push and hold the start-stop button for at least 3 seconds to shut the engine off. So let's do it. Now the vehicle is on and I am checking for oncoming vehicles on side mirror. Guys, please wear seat belt before starting your vehicle. Now I am shifting into first gear and moving the vehicle. Now I am shifting into second gear and now shifting into third gear. And the vehicle speed is around 40 to 50 km/h. Now I am pushing and holding that push start button for 3 seconds. You can see now my cluster is off, that is my vehicle is now completely off. I feel the steering hard and the brake pedal is also hard, and I really need to give more effort to turn the steering wheel and to push the brake pedal. Guys, this is need to be done only in emergency situations. Please don't do it unnecessarily, okay? If you have any queries, please feel free to drop it in comment section below, and don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, please wear seat belts if you are in car and wear helmets if you are on two-wheeler.